Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope your day's going fantastic. Thanks for joining me. Well, today I'm super excited. I am part of the Spellbinders blog hop celebrating the April 2020 club kits. Spellbinders is celebrating all their club kits with a blog hop, and then there is also a chance to win $50 store credit. That's a lot of crafty cash. The details for that are over on the Spellbinders blog or over on my blog. And then speaking of my blog, I'm actually going to give away a $25 store credit too. So details for that are on my blog. So just click on the link down below and check it out. We'd love for you to join us. Now, you know I'm a fan of the Spellbinders Club Kits. Today I'm going to create two projects with the card kit of the month. I've always said that there's tons of stuff left over. In fact, I share with you what is left over. And so today I thought I'd make two more cards. Now if you missed my 10 card one kit video and the unboxing, I'll link it at the end of the video here so you can check that out. Okay, we're starting off with a piece of the lighter pink cardstock that came with the kit. I put the measurements up there for you guys. And then I also created a rectangle window in a piece of the pattern paper that had the gold honeycomb on it. We're going to go ahead and mat our pattern paper to our pink cardstock. I love the little bumblebee wings that are in the die cut pieces that I picked here. I picked two small bumblebees and then one of the larger ones and then a couple of the gold flourishes. But the bumblebee's wings have polka dots on there that are so pretty and they're pink. And so I thought we'd create a little bit of a pink honeycomb background. I wanted my pattern paper to stand out a little bit more, so I'm using two Copic markers, R20 and then also RV10. That's my lightest. And I'm just adding a little bit of shaded detail to just a few of the honeycomb for the background, just so it stands out a little bit more. And I'm loving the way the pink bumblebees look. Okay. Next, we're going to use one of the chipboard pieces, the leftover chipboard pieces. This one here is so pretty, and I thought it went perfect with bumblebees and then perfect for what we're going through right now. It says, "We are stronger, funnier, happier, crazier together." In our household, that is so true. I wanted to mat this little chipboard sentiment on some of the gold mirror cardstock that came in the kit. We're just going to leave a little bit of a gold border. Once we have our gold adhered, we're going to flip it over and add foam adhesive behind it. We're going to add just two to the very top, and then before we add more to the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and add my little gold leaf flourishes here. We're just going to tack them to the bottom, kind of adjust them, and then I can add two more pieces of foam adhesive. This is just going to help secure those leaves to my little sentiment. We're going to add that in the center of our frame, kind of creating a pink frame. Okay, we're going to flip over our panel and go ahead and adhere this to a standard A2 size card base. There's lots of cardstock left over in the kit. I'm just bringing in a piece of white cardstock from my stash to create my card base. Okay, now we're going to flip over each one of our bumblebees, and then we're going to add them to our card as well. We're going to add the two smaller ones to the top left and then the larger one just below the sentiment here. And I just love the way this turned out. I never thought, because traditionally you would think yellow or gold and yellow with bumblebees, but the pink are just so pretty. Now just for a finishing touch, I didn't want to do much because the gold really does make it stand out, but I am going to go over the black parts of the bumblebee with my Journey Glaze. And then also the pink, the honeycomb pieces that I colored in with my Copic markers. I want to add a little bit of Journey Glaze to the tops of those. This is just going to dry clear like a glossy accent. And it's going to add a little bit more detail to my card. So that's card one. So pretty easy. Now for card two, I wanted to create a card during my 10 card one kit video with the adorable gummy bears. Oh my goodness, my daughter loves gummy bears, and so this card is for her. I think she has a thing for them because she just loves them. In fact, I have a pack I had just bought her. She'd been helping around a lot for the house, so I had placed an order on Amazon of the gummy bears. But anyway, I'm rambling, which I tend to do, but I am going to adhere a 1/2-inch strip of the medium pink cardstock in the kit, and then I added a piece of gold, and then a 2-inch gold circle right in the center. We layered all of those together, and then I thought we had this little extra piece of pattern paper from the Weekend Fun paper pack. I thought, you know what, we're going to add a little bit of extra gold to the left side of a card base. So I'm cutting out a thin strip. It's about maybe a 3/4 inch strip. I'm going to go ahead and adhere this all the way to the left, just kind of filling in that area. Instead of it being white, I thought it'd be nice to have a little extra detail. You can't see very much of it, but it was there. Okay, we're going to flip over our gold and pink little piece. We're going to add foam adhesive behind it, and then we're going to pop this up and place this to the left of our card base as well. We're leaving about a 1/4 inch strip, a little over a 1/4 inch strip on the left there. Now I'm going to add my sentiment. The sentiment is from the die cut pack also. It's nice because you get 2 of each, but I'm going to say I'm going to add hello happiness, because that's what she feels when she gets a bag of gummy bears. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I thought these little guys were so cute, and I love the colors too. So I thought it'd be fun and playful just to add the gummy bears around the sentiment. So that's what we're doing. We're popping each one of those up with a foam square, and then we're kind of creating a little pattern with them. There's a dark pink, a lighter pink, and then there's a green gummy bear. So we just added them. And since there's so much gold in here, I'm not going to add any bells or whistles. I was happy just with the way this looked. Super cute. So 2 quick and easy cards with the card kit leftovers. So again, if you want to check out more videos, check out my blog. I listed all of the club kits that I play with over there. But there is a chance to win some crafty cash, so I encourage you guys to join in the fun. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a fabulous day, and we will see you again soon. Bye-bye.